Hi everyone, my name is Parth Sahani and welcome to Daily Apple Sessions. In this new series, I'm sharing a nugget of inspiration and insight every weekday, Monday through Friday, to help you get further on your success journey and design an exceptional life for yourself. So, let's get started. Get the negative energy out. It's not uncommon to have negative energy accrue within us and our mind, as a result, beginning to raise an alarm. A good strategy to release that toxic energy out of your system is to start moving around. Go for a walk in your neighborhood, work out or take a group exercise at the gym. Do some yoga or simply dance to your favorite tunes at home. In this way, you'll not only be moving your body, but you'll also be changing and readjusting your energy field. We need to learn to listen to our body and understand what it needs at a given moment. Occasionally, it'll give us signs and even move naturally to what it finds beneficial. Figure out ways to change your energy and most importantly, do something. Go outside, do a deep breathing exercise, meditate, or watch some funny videos and laugh out loud. Whenever we feel like a victim to our own negative feelings, we can take charge and get unstuck from the energy we are in. We humans are blessed with the power of being able to shift, rearrange, realign, and refocus our energy whenever we want. When we feel stuck in a negative emotion or a particular train of thought, or when we are engulfed with disappointment, despair, or find it difficult to contain the rage and frustration within, we can choose to save our time by getting the negative energy out of our system, instead of hammering ourselves to try to find a solution or to bring a change in the situation. It's important that we figure out the right time to dissolve the toxic energy within us and then discover ways, simple or grand, that work best for us. I hope you enjoyed that insight. If you want more ideas and insights rooted in personal development, philosophy, and timeless wisdom, in fact, a calendar worth of them, I encourage you to get my new book, The Daily Apple, 366 Meditations on Growth, Persistence, and the Art of Exceptional Living at your favorite bookstore. Like an apple a day that helps you become healthier and vital, each meditation has been designed to offer you positive information and inspiration to nudge you a little towards your better, wiser, and more well-rounded self every single day. Thank you for your time and attention, and I'll talk to you soon.